Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Jingbym Sngewthuh Jingmut apok kaseng United Democratic Party kebalong gawai ni kaseng sain perthai bekerja ni kesorkar MDA kalapau hadin bu menteri ketrat korbar jela ubak lakman remboi hagasgi baar ulong ba syamladan mano na kaseng UDP kibalai keren ne ya peliu Jingmut batu hagabede begesiti balapha du General Secretary kaseng Dr. Sngewthuh show menteri rangba hagabala Dawa penihar Shuki yu menteri ketrat boarding James P. Sangma Long ru baka kenhun jogi MLA lani ke parliamentary party kamsham lakran AA halor kane ke benta ke bedai baka Dawa Hiar Shuki yu James ubak remboi ulong bah halor kimat ki bakta ke sorkar de benya kran apo ke sorkar MDA ulong ru badai bendan ke je peliu Jingmut apo ke sorkar lani apo ke MDA coordination committee menteri ulong ru bakum keseng ke badan apo ke sorkar senrop kedai bendan ke je kran lem kumta kemudian Jingmut bendan apo ke sorkar batkan baha ben mi sendan no na kedai ke sorkar senrop
stated that the letter issued by the General Secretary of the UDP, all MLAs, they have no knowledge about this letter to the Chief Minister demanding for removal of the Power Minister. So can we say like UDP is a divided house?
You see, it is not a divided house, but the thing is that there is a mechanism which we could address this issue. The mechanism is that we should discuss, and we already discussed among the MLAs. We have discussed about this crisis. Every time we discuss among ourselves, but this regarding the letter which they have issue, I am telling, at least nobody ever consult me. Nobody ever consult me. I am here yesterday in my office. Nobody ever consult me. So they should consult, because if as a coalition partner, without going through the proper mechanism, what is the point of staying in the government? Better stay, you pull out. So it is the question of how to approach. There is a coordination committee which oversee if there any issue to thrust out. So bring this issue to that committee, which comprise all the coalition partner, not only the MLA, all the coalition partner represented by senior member, so that they will thrust out. So as of for me, so it is. But let's hope that tomorrow or day after tomorrow we can discuss any differences if there, whether in the party or outside the party, we could solve only through mutual discussion.
So will you advise the party to withdraw this letter or this demand for removal of power?
I cannot. I'm not the one who will advise, but I'm speaking in the context of being in a democracy. We should consult. The wider consultation should be there. Especially we are in the government. In the government, part of the government, not in the government, part of the government. Whether we have discussed this power crisis in the at the government level, yes, we have discussed. The cabinet as a whole have discussed. It's not a cabinet meeting. Have discussed this issue, because regarding this issue with the Chief Minister, and Chief Minister has assured us that he will see that how this issue will be resolved.
Has he contacted you after this letter reached him? Has Chief Minister contacted you?
No.
Does it mean that UDP is going the BJP way in telling or going outside the MDA forum to raise the issue?
You can interpret anything you like.
So we can also say that the letter sent by the General Secretary of the party is not doing the right thing.
That is a party affairs matter. I am speaking here as the part of parliamentary party, which we have not discussed regarding this letter. Ask this for myself. If we discuss with anybody, that I don't know.
So we can say that this demand has never come from the parliamentary
Party, yes, you can
There
say
is a
that.
difference on this issue between the PP of UDP and the party.
I think miscommunication. I don't see there is a difference, because we have to remember the fact that the fact of the matter is this, that this power issue is a crisis in the state. This affects everybody. The issue which taken by the party, by the party, is right. It's right for this sport crisis, but the process of wider consolation is not there.
No, there is another point. You are praising the government, power minister, and you are blaming NTPC, NIPCO. But don't you think whimsical disruption of power by the state government, they should have pre-planned? Suddenly an announcement coming, suddenly some few hours of power cut, suddenly next day no power cut, and then another day some power cut. Don't you think it is not?
You see, I'm not expert in power, how they regulate the power. I cannot say.
But there should be a planning. Okay, announcement. There is no announcement. One occasion there was no announcement.
When the work is in progress, when the work is on the progress, we ever thought that we will complete the job. So if we cannot complete, then suddenly.
But that is a whimsical.
It's not whimsical. It's not whimsical. How can you tell it's whimsical?
You know that this much money has to be paid,
We know.
and you have not paid the money.
We have paid for first
But
installment.
then why they have to disrupt the?
Then they told you take second installment. The process of taking the second installment also is on the process. Then suddenly, what can this?
But why the people have to
Take
suffer?
it. Thank you.